It was the year 1996 when Kashmir witnessed the inception of central heating and air conditioning. A man with a unique passion for providing everlasting solution for the needs of heating, especially during winters, started a company, Continental Heating and Air Conditioning Systems. Trained in domestic central heating equipment in England with Potterton Myson, UK, Urfi Mustafa Shontu is the member of the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers as well as the Indian Plumbing Association. With a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Regional Engineering College of Srinagar, Kashmir, this man in no time became the heat king of Kashmir. After living in the United Kingdom, Urfi saw a need in the valley market for a European approach to heating homes, heating the entire house so you can live in absolute warmth and comfort. Most Kashmiri homes aren't heated adequately for the climate we live in. The company is currently experiencing major growth due to the demand for world-class comfort and alternative heating options that are more effective and efficient than traditional heating. The company focuses on quality and integrity and aims to lift the professionalism of the central heating industry of Kashmir. With an art and desire to serve its customers, Continental Heating became the first company in Kashmir to help people overcome cold winter. Since then, we've been redefining style and elegance by providing heating and cooling solutions to people across India. Passionate about improving the warmth of our homes and providing diverse heating options, Continental Heating focuses on innovative heating technology. It is the largest specialist domestic central heating company in the country and are experts in whole house heating. We offer the complete solution by specifying, designing and distributing central heating systems and components. By maintaining our ethics and self-discipline, we've always strived to develop into a corporation and respond to the demands of society by taking the initiative in conducting business professionally, fairly, honestly, and with the spirit of service. We support innovations and are dedicated to raising the standards without being detrimental to the environment. We at Continental Heating are interwoven with a matchless affection. We organize several programs to get closer and closer. We are a prolific family. Continental Heating is the largest specialized domestic central heating company in the country. Our energy-efficient home heating systems use water to distribute heat around the home, warming it thoroughly and evenly. Gas boilers, diesel boilers, wood pellet boilers and electric boilers are popular, and the latest technology, geothermal heat pumps or ground source heat pumps and air-to-water heat pumps are now available. We distribute the heat to steel radiators, underfloor heating or fan coil units. Our boilers have been meticulously designed solely with the end users and installers in mind. Continental Heating can provide you with a variety of boilers at very competitive prices. It produces hot water instantly, as and when you need, 24 hours a day, a far more economical idea than a conventional system, which offers significant saving in annual hot water costs. It can be installed in virtually any room in your house, including a cellar or a garage. All the major equipments are imported from Europe. The highest boiler efficiency is attained by use of large volume combustion chambers, maximizing heat transfer surfaces. Boiler gas and water side resistances, standby time losses are minimized and European norms are achieved. No hazardous material for environment such as asbestos is used in the boilers. Certified materials, balanced design on heat expansion areas, certified automated welding methods, design and calculations in European norms, and approved manufacture methods offers longer service times than ever. Our experiences of central heating technology in residential, commercial and industrial applications ensures your peace of mind that your heating system will be a sound investment. Each of our projects is tailored according to the client's unique needs and hand-built by highly experienced craftsmen, trained mechanical engineers, specialists in heating, ventilation and air conditioning. The domestic central heating system runs on kerosene, diesel, needing a maximum of 100 watts of electricity. During electric failures, the system runs on a mere 200-watt inverter. Radiators offer an elegance that is indispensable amongst those who know how to appreciate it. Our imported radiators lend a chic and decorative aspect to the environment in which they are placed. Radiators are produced and coated according to the latest technology on computer-controlled assembly lines. These highly efficient radiators are resistant to corrosion, chemicals, impact, scratches and ambient air conditions. The smooth surface doesn't collect dust and the special covering system allows for easy cleaning. The various alternative sizes available and their compactness also make them suitable for smaller environments. We at Continental Heating and Air Conditioning Systems are proud of being the single largest company in Asia to have successfully laid 30,000 square feet of floor heating. Our underfloor heating technology is the intelligent, green choice for heating buildings in the 21st century. Integrating the heating system into the very fabric of the building creates a harmony of form and function that puts every square centimeter of floor and wall space to practical use. Heating from the floor upwards harnesses the basic principles of physics to create a better standard of comfort while using less energy. Our underfloor heating already serves buildings all across Kashmir. Nowadays, the need of energy has rapidly increased both in commercial and domestic, especially in the commercial sector. Our greater focus is on controllability. Domestic hot water needs of conscious users are met through improved technology and perfect design. A product resulted from an experience of more than half a century in industry and advanced technology. It satisfies, comforts, offers safety and economy simultaneously. During the house insulation process, we insulate all new homes during the construction phase. House insulation is an important element of the building envelope for protecting both the heat loss and the life of your home. There are three main purposes for house insulation. To insulate the building so that there is less heat loss and building remains warm in winters and cold in summers. To protect the building material from exterior water penetration. To reduce exterior air infiltration and to block the radiant heat from penetrating through the walls. A heat pump is a device that uses mechanical energy to pump heat up the temperature scale from a cooler region to a warmer one. It does so by changing the pressure of a working fluid called a refrigerant. Commonly used refrigerants are distinguished by the fact that over a relatively moderate range of elevated pressures, they vaporize and condense at temperatures that can drive spontaneous heat flow in the direction needed. It is the interior heat pump units that transfer heat between the ground loop and the conditioned spaces of a building. We at Continental Heating and Air Conditioning Systems ensure that each system we sell is a compelling example and the best choice for comfort, economy and performance. At Continental Heating and Air Conditioning Systems, we are proud of our service record, how fast we respond, and the job that we do. Since our establishment, we have been witnessing a gradual increase in our growth. In a span of just 15 years since 1996, our customer base has gone up manifold. Continental Heating and Air Conditioning is an identity that has been redefining a mechanism called comfort.